Every minute of class time should be filled with students doing work. Sitting in a chair and zoning out for an hour is not doing work. In fact, zoned out students have a higher likelihood of misbehaving and of performing poorly on assessments. So let's get them engaged. Class time should be fun for you. Like a lot of fun. The teacher's job is to encourage, chat with individual students, high five, make jokes, laugh, redirect behavior, challenge students to think deeply about their work, and make sure students have the resources they need to create their own learning. It can truly be the coolest job ever. And there are endless great things to have your students do with the class time, but here is my favorite. Students watch my lesson videos, and then I challenge them to work in small groups to build up their collaboration skills. Each group works toward preparing and recording lessons. I ask them to put the content in their own words. This helps develop their communication skills. Then we watch the student lesson videos in class, and I ask them to analyze and evaluate their work. This teaches students to be reflective learners. Challenging students to collaborate, create, communicate, and reflect is critical for them to be successful in the future, and it results in a dynamic and fun learning environment. What's more, very soon there will be a major shift in our education system, and students will spend much more time in online learning environments. So getting good at challenging students to design and create this type of video content will prepare you to be a highly qualified teacher in the future.